You ready to go? Let's go.
Mama.
Let's go, yeah. Go, go.
Over here.
Wait, right here. Where's Papa?
Let's go!
So another storm is coming our way. And I guess there's like back-to-back storms coming over this weekend. And this is the weekend where we are leaving our first house sit and going to our second house sit, which is also in Canada, but it is still a little bit of a trek to get there. So it's gonna be an interesting weekend. I cannot tell you guys how much they are freaking out up here about these storms. Like, haven't seen a storm like this in decades. Wherever we go, they're like, where are you from? We're like, we're from Florida. And they're like, oh my gosh, what are you doing here? Like, this is our worst winter ever. It's fun for us because we don't have to live here. It's kind of a short-lived thing, so we're just kind of soaking it up. This next storm is coming, and yeah, we're just gonna have to see what happens, just play it by ear. So it's supposed to hit tonight, and then we have one more night that we're gonna be here, and I think it's clear, so we'll be good to travel. But it's just seeing if the homeowners can get to us. That is the problem. Is like the delay of flights, or not missing a flight, but a canceled flight. Those are the kind of things we're kind of waiting for to see. Yeah, we're hoping for the best. Right now we're picking up supplies, and as supplies I mean beer and fruit for Oscar. Beer for us, not for Oscar, not the beer. Beer for us, Oscar gets fruit. Yeah, we have oatmeal. We have so much oatmeal. I can't even tell you how much oatmeal we freaking have. We are not going through the last time when we had no oatmeal. It's currently like starting to kick off just a little bit. I don't know if you could tell. You can kind of see the wind going, the snow blowing. Can't see the sign, but this is Cowbell. Maybe I can drive. Okay, you can kind of see it better here. There's Cameron with our supplies. But yeah, look how big this place is. Just massive not dispensary, oh my gosh. Massive beer place that we just are getting beers at. I got it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You want up?
Or try this one to set you up for the mint.
Okay.
And then this is the mint chocolate.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I like the raspberry though still. Yeah. The raspberry is really good.
And then this is like the double stout.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I'll like that.
That's intense. It's probably like 8.8.
Wow. That's intense. The raspberry's the best. For sure.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oscar, cheers.
Oscar, cheers.
Good job.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bing, bing.
Yeah, you're right.
Classical poutine. Maybe not classical. It's like dill.
I don't think
It's not classical. It has some kind of dill thing on it, but it looks good. And then we got our flight. And I stole the raspberry because it's freaking delicious. Yeah, and Oscar is it? Can you say You want to sit in this chair? I'm gonna head upstairs to show you guys what it's all about. So this is just like a huge brewing place that is just out here. It's like 10 minutes from this place we're staying at, but you can see it's just massive. Whoa. Yeah, we're the only ones here because there's a massive snowstorm. I think there's like one person at the bar. That's really cool. Place to chill and hang out. Tons of windows. Cowbell. Who would have known? We literally stopped here because a big snowstorm is here, because it's literally snowing. And they had a happy hour going on, and this was kind of like our last opportunity probably to come and just be in here. So we came in, got poutine, got some beers, and we really do need to head home now because this storm is on the way, and we just gotta kind of get in the house and be safe. So we're gonna head out here soon. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. What do you want to say?
Where?
Oh, yeah. What else do you want to tell him? Do you want to show him your toy? Show right here. What is that? A dinosaur. Yeah. What's the dinosaur say? Roar. What color is your dinosaur?
Red.
It's red, or is it blue?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, don't touch. Don't touch.
I see.
I see too. Yeah, I see too. Do you want to show them all your toys that you have up here? You want to show them your toys?
The big
What about like your pom-poms? You want to show them your pom-poms?
Yeah.
Okay, go get some. Where are some pom-poms at? Oh my gosh. There's just a blanket of snow. Can we even get... there's stairs here. There are stairs here somewhere. Okay. Oh my Jesus. Oh my gosh, look at the door. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah. That's like probably a foot of snow right there. Nice. Well, everything's functioning in here. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good job. Oh, here we are. The bubble. Okay, what do you want to do, buddy? You want to look at the water? Okay. Let's go look at the water. Squirt. So this isn't our typical thing that we do like in the mornings. Typically we play upstairs where he has a bunch of pom-poms and art supplies, all sorts of things like that. We're typically doing that, but for whatever reason, Oscar's just like in a mood. He woke up extra early this morning. Yeah, you see the water? You want to get in the water? No, you can't get in that water, buddy. There's fishies in there, they're sleeping. So yeah, so we're just out here. This is our last full day here. So we are going to just clean up and get ready to go. Clean up the house, make sure everything's watered, so that when the homeowners get home, they don't have to do too much, because traveling's a lot. And sometimes when you go on vacation, you just need another vacation. Should we water the plants now? You want to help Mama water the plants? Yeah? Okay. Let's do it, okay? There's some stuff to spray too, okay? We're going to do all that. Ready? So yeah, let's get to work. Spray your water. Put it in. You check it. So this is our last day, as I said. So I'm gonna start upstairs. We're just gonna clean up here. We're gonna just pick up everything. Hopefully Oscar. You want a binky? No, not yet, buddy. You're not sleepy yet. Maybe he is sleepy, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna grab his binky and hopefully he just chills while I try to clean up a little bit up here. You want binky? There you go, buddy. Hopefully he stays up for like another 30 minutes. We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just start cleaning. I am in the midst of packing. I think I'm doing this correctly. And it's 9 o'clock. I need to still clean the kitchen really badly. At least the stovetop. But I feel like we're pretty packed up. Like we have everything collected. It's just not really packed. So we're gonna figure that all out because we have quite a bit of oatmeal. Now we're bringing with us. What the hell? This won't come through. I don't know if that's the right way to do it. Okay, it's off. We will be carrying a lot of oatmeal with us. Well, here's one suitcase. It's our carry-on, and that's what we're just gonna like try to mostly use. And then Oscar's toys are right there. Diaper bag is right there. And our big suitcase is here. So we still have toiletries and things like that, and bath toys I need to get. There's still quite a bit of things I need to get. So anyways, oh yeah, I'm gonna put this with get ready clothes. I put them in the laundry, get ready. I think we could just put this in with our clothes. I'm just gonna say okay, so we're just working. I gotta clean. Oh my god, it's a mess. Look how dirty. I need to clean this really good. Okay. Oscar's sleeping. Let's try to do this in like 20 minutes. Okay guys, we got like 10 minutes so we have to leave and I need to take a shower and finish my oatmeal and get all these suitcases in and probably do kitty litter. There's a lot to do. There's always so much to do. Oh, Archer. Are you saying bye to the kitty? Yeah, you love Archer? Oh, okay. Okay, all done. All done. Don't close the door. Say bye-bye to the Peanut. Bye, Peanut. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Archer's getting sad because we're leaving. Let's see. Oh, no, thank you. Open, please. What is it, buddy? Okay.
Oh, did you get those grapes?
Yeah. And I think we're ready to go. Are we ready to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. But we're here at the train station in Kitchener. This is our first stop. Again, we have not learned our lesson on being early to things. I thought we had like a 30-minute early window period, but nope, that turned into 0 minutes and we missed the train. So there was like a transfer we could do, like a bus and a train. But honestly, Oscar was like really upset. Like we were waiting for a bus outside. He got really cold. He got so upset. So we're just choosing to wait here like a couple hours while he naps and just stay inside. It's packed inside. There's like another train, which is like weird. There's like, okay, there's GO Transit and then there's the VIA. And I guess they're like two separate things. So I guess you can look into the VIA rail station. I guess that's equivalent to like Amtrak in the US, but that one's late. So this place is packed right now. Let's see if we can get this next train and get to our hotel. We're on the train. Really nice, like wheelchair accessible, like really nice accessible. so we got on really easily. It stays here for a little bit, so we're just chilling on the train right now. But I'll show you that it has like really a lot of space for wheelchairs, for maybe strollers. I know it's probably more for wheelchairs, but I'm really grateful for the space, and Oscar can just be here, and yeah, it's just really nice. Yeah, you can see the tracks out there. Oh my gosh, look at all that snow. I don't know if you can tell. It's like dug in. It's like at least like that much snow on the tracks, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, this is really nice. I really like it. And I'm really grateful because it doesn't have transfers. So I don't want to transfer. I just want to go straight there. Not dealing with all this stuff and transferring from like the bus to the train. So yeah, it'll be good.
You got the picture?
Oh yeah, yeah, thank you. Well, this is way different than Blythe. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely picking up on the snow on the sidewalks. Good morning, guys. We made it to our hotel here in Toronto, and we are staying at the Marriott, like the Residence Inn. So we have a kitchen, a separate bedroom with a king-size bed. And honestly, this was I like the location because it was pretty close to the train station, which we will be taking that train later on this weekend. But it was just nice because we could walk here really easily with all our stuff. And it's pretty centrally located downtown, so there are things we can do. But we are gonna take advantage of the amenities here at the pool. So I worked out this morning. We had breakfast first, actually. So breakfast first, did that, had a workout. Now I'm back in the room. I'm gonna take Oscar to the pool while his dad works out. And yeah, it's like a really good price for where we were, even compared to Airbnbs where you kind of get the same setup of like a kitchen and a separate bedroom. This was a really, really good price, and check-in was really easy. They have like the mobile check-in and mobile keypad that you can use your phone to unlock your door. So I really like that. That's really cool. And then they include the breakfast, which is awesome. Just one less meal that we kind of have to worry about. Even though we have a kitchen, it's easier sometimes in the mornings to just be like, let's just go downstairs. I'm gonna get Oscar in his swim diaper and head downstairs, and yeah. The pool? Did you poo-poo? You did? You wanna change your diaper? Okay, let's change your diaper.
Big poo-poo.
Big poo-poo? That's good. I'm glad you poo-pooed before the pool. You're silly. Do you look handsome? Perfect. Okay, go on the couch so I can put them on. We're walking over to the aquarium. Check that out, but I guess there's some major winter storm out and about. So it's really windy. Right, buddy? Is it windy? Yeah. I would say the temperature is not too bad though. It's just kind of in your face windy. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at this tower.
It's gone.
I know. Oh. Okay, let's keep going. Look at all of the snow. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking windy right in my face. Ah. There's a shorty under you, I saw it. Come on, you got buddy. All the way. You want Papa? You want Papa? Okay, Papa's right here behind us. He's right there. So that was the aquarium. It's so beautiful. There's so much in there. I didn't expect as much as there was. And it was really fun. The sharks were really cool. The jellyfish were really cool. Yeah, we didn't really stop at the stingray area. Oscar was just like beelining into the jellyfish. But the stingray looked really cool. And there's like a tide pool. The tide pool, unfortunately, was too big for Oscar. There's like a smaller one that didn't have much in it, but the ones with the rays in it, he really wanted to play with it, but he's just too little to even like get over and touch the water. And so just the stingrays didn't work out for him. But there was like the water table that I showed with the boats and all that, so we got to play with some water. So yeah, it was really nice. Great. It's really busy. I mean, it's just like crazy busy. But it's still like, it's snowing like crazy, but it's still crazy busy. So anyways, yeah, it was a really fun experience, and I totally suggest to come to this if you have, I would say even like a little older, just so like the tide pool, you can actually like touch the stingrays. Because Oscar absolutely had a freak out meltdown from not being able to touch them. So he's having snacks right now. But yeah, it was just an overall fun. I know they have like feedings and things like that, but to sit down and to watch the one for a long time is hard. We saw the caimans, like the dwarf caimans, and Oscar after like 2 or 3 minutes, he was like, I'm done watching this, like let's leave. And I was like, okay. So, but anyways, it was really fun. It was a really good experience. Check it out if you're here in Toronto. You want to get down? You do? Are you sure? Yeah? Well, yesterday was a super success, I think. It was really fun. Did you have fun at the aquarium? Are you having fun with your fruit now? And I thought I would show you this room really quick. It's super cute. So there's just like, here's the front door, a little desk, nice couch. This goes into another bed, but that wasn't really necessary for us. Nice little living room, kitchen. It's just perfect. And then a whole separate bedroom with a king size bed. Look at that. And it looks like it's snowed all night because looks like it's still snowing. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, really cool. It's right downtown. And of course, like a bathroom. So if we needed to sneak in here while Oscar was napping or sleeping, we could like sneak into the bathroom and shut the door and still go to the bathroom. We didn't really use the sink though. What do you think? Do you like this room? Okay, see ya. You guys, this sidewalk is nice. This is where I can actually film. It's insane out here. Insane. We are on the train. We're going to our next house soon. Oscar's napping. It is crazy out. The weather is insane. Walking to the train station was insane. I felt like I was pushing a sled. Our camera was pulling the suitcases, and we're just dead at this point because of that. But we're on the train. We're gonna get there, and yeah, it's just so much snow. I mean, it's been snowing for probably almost 24 hours, getting close to 24 hours of just snow. Our train is going to get in like a little later, but that's not a big deal. That's just, yeah, insanity. Says it's -4. Can I just like show you guys how much snow there is though?